another one bites the dust. So, as some people know, my town was hit with an unreal snowstorm. And me and Spencer here are gonna go and pull out my car from his house and see how this goes. I haven't actually seen it yet, so I'm excited. Oh, roads are a bit rough today, boys. Look at that smile. So we're coming up to my car now. I haven't seen it since the storm hit. I had some drinks at this guy's house and got to drive home. So this is my first look at my car. I can't see it past this Ford.
It was a lot worse yesterday.
It's not, I mean, it could be worse. There's my car there. It could be worse. But this guy said that the out back where our other cars are quite snowed in, so we'll have to go take a look at that. Okay, so here I am waist height up to my gonads here in snow and fighting my way back out. This is normally a walkway. See that?
You're not going through there.
So normally this is a walkway that goes out back to the gate there. And what you guys just saw is me standing in the middle of all that snow. So here we are out back. Spencer's dad got a bit stuck. Just because of the Dodge, eh? There we go.
What? Make a trail? Okay.
Fall, Spencer.
I'm okay.
And this is where the trucks that can't handle the snow come and stay. Look at this beauty of a truck. Nine-second, getting the blower set up. Getting the blower set up. Mark originally was like, yeah, it's just a bolt-on. Don't look like a bolt-on to me.
No, it doesn't.
This is one hell of a truck, though. Not sure if you can tell, but there is a car underneath this snowdrift. And there's Logan's truck. We got my car unstuck at its home for this winter storm at the hotel across the street from my house. So now me and Spencer are driving around in this beast of a Chevy truck. If you guys know me, I'm a Chevy guy. I like my Chevs. So we're gonna go around, see if anybody else needs a tow, needs a good yank out of the amazing snow that we have. Maybe that Ford needs some help.
Ford needs to drive.
Yeah. But I do have, you guys probably haven't seen it yet. No, I don't think I've shown you guys, but I have a 75 Chevy. But on top of that 75 Chevy, I'm looking at buying two 1969 Fords. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see me working on those and everything. I will be posting videos if you guys want with pull out Levi. Yeah, we had a buddy call us. He decided it was a good idea to take the highway he thought I was going to take the highway out and got stuck and called us. I took the phone from Spencer and told him to have fun and hung up on him. So we called another friend to see if they could pull him out, but who knows, we might get a call. Go to pull out a Dodge.
Well, I guess time will tell.
Yeah, well, stay tuned. We'll see if we can find anybody that needs help. This is not how to treat your old Mercury truck.
Put the windows down.
That's not how to treat your old truck spot, guys. So we're sitting here in front of Buddy's house trying to figure out where Buddy's car is. You look closer. There it is, underneath that snow pile. So that last clip just kind of ended without an ending to the video, making fun of Buddy's car there, but we had pulled out a couple more people after we ended that, forgot to film it, camera died, whatever. You know how it is. If you want to see more of that kind of stuff this winter, and just hang out with us, watch some video games and such, let me know what you want to see, and I will try to please. Other than that, have fun, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. Again, still trying to grow this video, or this YouTube channel, sorry. Was a little bit busy with work, not able to film for the longest time, but I'm back for a bit at least. So yeah.